Welcome to the Clear English channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today, we are going to listen to a natural conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a relaxing story about two travelers, Lily and Tom, who go out for dinner after a long day of traveling. After a tiring flight and checking into their hotel, Lily and Tom are finally ready to sit down, relax, and enjoy a good meal together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What main dish does Lily order at the restaurant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
I'm really hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat much on the plane.
That flight food wasn't very good.
I agree. It was too salty.
Look, there's a restaurant across the street.
Yes, it looks nice. Let me check the reviews quickly.
Good idea.
It has 4.5 stars, over 200 reviews.
That's very good.
Yes, people say the steak is excellent.
Perfect. Do you want to eat there?
Sure, let's try it.
After that long flight, we deserve a good meal.
Absolutely. Let's cross the street.
Okay, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please. By the window, if possible.
Of course. Please follow me. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Just water for now, thank you.
Of course. I'll be back in a moment.
This place is very cozy.
Yes, I like the atmosphere. It's warm and quiet.
And the lighting is nice too, not too bright.
Good choice coming here.
The reviews were right.
Let's see if the food matches.
I'm sure it will.
And we have a table by the window. Perfect.
Yes, I love watching people walk by outside.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Okay, let's look at the menu. I'm starving.
Same here. Let's see what they have. There are so many choices.
Yes, everything looks delicious.
I already know what I want.
Really? What?
The ribeye steak. The reviews said it was excellent.
That sounds amazing.
It comes with mashed potatoes and vegetables.
Perfect combination.
What about you? What are you thinking?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe pasta?
That sounds good too.
But I had pasta for lunch.
Then maybe chicken?
Yes, I think I'll go with the grilled chicken.
Good choice. Does it come with anything?
It comes with a side salad. I think I'll ask for Caesar dressing.
Good choice. I love Caesar salad.
And look at the dessert menu.
Oh, wow. Chocolate lava cake?
That looks incredible.
Should we share one after dinner?
Definitely. That's a great idea.
Okay. Ribeye steak for me, grilled chicken with Caesar salad for you, and chocolate lava cake to share.
Perfect plan.
Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the ribeye steak. Medium, please. Excellent. And for you?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please, with a Caesar salad on the side.
Of course. And to drink besides water?
Just water is fine, thank you.
Of course. Your food will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
20 minutes. Not too long.
No, that's fine.
I'm glad we ordered quickly.
Me too. I was afraid I'd change my mind.
Were you thinking about something else?
For a moment, I was looking at the pasta again.
Really? Even though you had it for lunch?
I know, old habits.
But you stayed strong.
The grilled chicken won in the end.
Good decision.
What about you? Were you ever going to order something else?
For a moment, I was looking at the salmon.
The salmon? That's very different from steak.
I know, but steak always wins for me.
Good decision.
Always.
Today was quite a day, wasn't it?
Yes, I can't believe how much happened.
The early morning, the airport, the long flight.
And then checking into the hotel, I was so tired.
Me too. But now I feel much better.
A good meal always helps.
Yes, and a good place to sit.
Tom, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Are you happy we came on this trip?
Are you kidding? I've wanted to visit Tokyo for years.
Really? Me too.
I remember you first mentioned it 2 years ago.
Yes, and we kept saying maybe next year.
And now we're finally here.
It still feels a little unreal.
I know, but it's very real and very exciting.
What do you want to do most tomorrow?
I want to see the old town first.
Me too, and the market.
We should get there early before it gets crowded.
Good idea. Let's set an alarm for 7.
7? That's early.
The early bird gets the best photos.
You and your photos.
Come on, you've always loved them afterward.
That's true. Okay, 7 it is.
Perfect. Oh, look, I think our food is coming.
Here is your ribeye steak, medium, and the grilled chicken with Caesar salad. Can I get you anything else?
Could we have some extra bread, please?
Of course. Enjoy your meal.
The steak smells incredible.
And the chicken looks perfectly cooked.
Cheers to our first dinner in Tokyo.
Cheers! I'm so glad we're here.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Yes, this looks so good.
How is the chicken?
It's wonderful, so tender and juicy.
I'm glad. And this steak is absolutely perfect.
Medium was the right choice.
Every time. Never too dry, never too raw.
The Caesar salad is very fresh, too.
Exactly what you wanted.
Yes, and the dressing is perfect. Light but flavorful.
The mashed potatoes on my plate are very creamy.
Can I try one bite?
Of course.
Oh, wow, those are amazing.
Right? Everything is so good here.
Those reviews were absolutely right.
4.5 stars. Fully deserved.
Next time we're in Tokyo, we're coming back here.
Agreed. No question about it. You know what's funny?
What?
3 hours ago, we were sitting on a plane eating rubbery chicken.
And now we're here eating this amazing food.
What a difference.
Travel is like that. One moment you're uncomfortable and tired.
And the next moment, everything is wonderful.
Exactly. That's why I love traveling.
Me too. Every trip has its ups and downs.
But the good moments always outweigh the bad ones.
Like right now.
Yes, like right now.
I'm really happy we did this, Lily.
Me too, Tom.
Are you almost finished?
Almost. I'm eating slowly to enjoy every bite.
Good idea. I should do the same.
Don't rush. We have no plans tonight.
Just dessert.
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. The chocolate lava cake.
I haven't forgotten, not for 1 second.
Of course you haven't.
Some things are too important to forget.
Like chocolate lava cake.
Exactly.
Are you finished with your main course? Can I take your plates?
Yes, thank you. Everything was delicious. And we'd like 1 chocolate lava cake to share with vanilla ice cream, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back.
I'm full, but I still want dessert.
That's the magic of dessert. There's always room.
That's not how it works, Tom.
It absolutely is.
You have a theory for everything.
Only the important things.
Like dessert?
Exactly. Food philosophy.
I've never heard it called that before.
I just invented it.
Of course you did.
Are you happy with tonight?
Very happy. This was the perfect first dinner.
I think so too.
Simple but wonderful.
The best things usually are.
Oh, here comes the dessert.
1 chocolate lava cake with vanilla ice cream. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks beautiful.
Shall we?
Let's.
Oh, wow. The chocolate is so warm and rich.
And the ice cream is cold and creamy. Perfect together.
This is incredible.
Best decision of the night.
Maybe best decision of the whole trip.
That's a big statement.
Try one more bite and tell me I'm wrong.
Okay. No, you're not wrong.
Told you.
This is amazing.
We have to come back here just for this.
Agreed. Every night if possible.
Our wallets might disagree.
A small price to pay for happiness.
Okay, I think I'm finally full now.
Me too. Should we ask for the bill?
Yes, it's getting late.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are. Thank you so much for coming tonight.
Thank you. The food was absolutely wonderful.
We're so glad you enjoyed it. Please come again.
That was a perfect meal.
Yes, I feel so much better now.
Full and happy.
Exactly what we needed after today.
The hotel is just a short walk from here.
Good. The night air feels nice.
It does. Very fresh.
Tokyo at night is beautiful.
Yes, look at all the lights.
I want to take a photo.
Of course you do.
Hold on just 1 second.
Take your time.
Okay, got it.
Happy?
Very happy.
Good. Now let's go back and rest.
Yes, big day tomorrow.
7 a.m. alarm.
Don't forget.
I won't. Good night, Tokyo.
Good night, Tokyo. See you tomorrow.
How was it? I hope this longer conversation helped you practice your English naturally. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What main dish does Lily order at the restaurant? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comment section below. Even one simple sentence is perfect. Don't be shy. Every comment is a great step forward. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English much more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations to help beginners build listening and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with your answer below. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!